Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for an all in one platform to grow your online business, you're in the right place. Today, we are going to talk about Systeme.io, what it is and what it does actually, and how it can solve some of your biggest challenges as an online entrepreneur. So let's get into it. Well, I have made a simple presentation for that. It's not that gorgeous or informative, but it's gonna help you. So first, System.io, what it is. Actually, as the website says, get the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform. This is actually right because System.io is an all-in-one platform designed to help you run your entire online business. So, whether you are into digital marketing, selling courses, building websites, or managing your email campaigns, System.io has got you covered. No matter what you are doing now, System.io has something to offer you. So, what can you really do with this? you can you can build high converting sales funnels. You don't need ClickFunnels anymore. You can launch and manage email marketing campaigns. You don't need MailChimp. Create and sell online courses. So this is also a great point here. Host webinars and membership sites. Even run your own affiliate programs. So, what is the main problem it solves? Well, one of the biggest problems entrepreneurs face is managing multiple tools and platforms. Managing all those tools and platforms can be hard, and more importantly, it can be expensive. So, what System.io do is you don't have to juggle multiple subscriptions or trying to make different tools work together and cost effective. System.io is super affordable compared to buying each tool separately. You are using sales funnel. You have to spend $100 behind that sales funnel and for MailChimp and for all other tools. But if you're using System.io, you don't have to spend all those money. And it's also user friendly. If are not tech savvy or you don't know a lot about technology, then System.io is perfect for you. It makes easy to build and grow your business online. Let's say Rebecca. She is an entrepreneur and she is using ClickFunnels for her sales funnels, MailChimp for her email marketing, Teachable for her courses. So she has to spend a lot of money on all these tools, and more importantly, she's spending a lot of time and effort for all those tools. But if she's using System.io, then everything is simple in one place. You can also see the pricing and features of this tool. The pricing with the free version, you have a lot of things. You can have a try with the free version. If you like that, you can upgrade your package. So with the free version, you get 2000 contracts, you get emails, unlimited emails, 3 sales funnels, and sales funnel steps, 15 steps, one blog post, one course, communities, automation rules, workflows, tags. You can see there are many things you get in the free version. All these things you will get in a premium version if you're using another platform. But with Sales Funnel, you get all these for free. And if you just simply upgrade your package, you get more. As you can see, you can simply compare the packages and work accordingly. I will make more videos on System.io and try to show you how you can actually use it. So stay connected. See you in the next one.